Akirekereria ndumiriri ya oro muthenya egi murimu wa corona guku bururini, Minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Mutahi nianireire ihinda-inĩ rĩa mathaa 24 mahotete guthima andu 500 na gatagati ka namba ĩno andu atano nĩo marĩ na murimu ũyũ wa corona.
These 5 people are all Kenyan nationals, and only one of them has a history of travel from the UAE. 3 of the cases are in Mombasa, while Nairobi and Nyandarua have 1 each.
Riboti njega ari umuthi niguo bururi urekereirie na mbere nene ya andu aria mareketie kuhona murimu uyu wa corona.
An additional 10 individuals will be discharged from our Bagathi COVID-19 isolation facility. And this is good news indeed. It is a Good Friday. For the first time in a day, we release more people than we took in.
Bururini ukinyukitie ikinya inene hari guthima andu kana mari na murimu wa coronavirus, oriri mihango ya guthima marekereirio othe na maobitha a urigitani ihurirwo shafi umuthi, thirikari ikiuga no inyitireire namba iria yatangathite ati gwikinyiria muthini wa mweri uyu wena namba ya arĩa megukorwo na murimu wa corona igukorwo ari 10,000.
We are now able to undertake an average of 600 tests a day. This number will be scaled up in the coming days. Indeed, today we received Roch 19 testing extracts, which creates our capability to test automatically rather than testing manually as we have been doing.
Deto egi hutheri wa besha farifari kagwe ni oriri ya Kenya metekere kuhemberio uhutheri wa njira cia kimitambo kurihira motungata matiganite.
I am asking you to take all the measures that you can to avoid exchanging notes and coins. Physical money presents surfaces that can very easily be contaminated with the virus.
Guku muingi ukiyomwerekera woria mafatie guteture beko twa manioro na kanwa wona marikia gutuhuthira.
The Ministry of Health, together with the Ministry of Environment and other government agencies, have developed and circulated a protocol on COVID-19 waste management to the county governments for operationalization. All of us are advised to properly dispose the face masks to avoid contamination in line with that protocol.
Gukinyiria riu makiria mando milioni 1,619 73 nio mari na murimu wa corona the yothe, namba ya ikuo ikiuna nginyagia makiria ma 96,000.